Most dashcams only record the front, but this one records 4 angles at the same time: front, rear, and even the side views, all in one setup. Today I'm testing the Sprleaf R3 4-channel dashcam to see if it is actually worth it, how good the footage looks, and if it could be the ultimate dashcam for the daily driving. Coming up right now. Okay, and this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the Sprleaf dashcam. This is a 4-channel dashcam. So it comes with the cable to connect all the cameras, cigarette lighter connection for the power with a USB-C connection, some clips to hide the cables, suction cup mount, the camera. This is the front camera. It has buttons on the side for the menu and the up and down buttons on the other side. The micro SD card is included. 128 gigabytes micro SD card is included. And on the bottom, the rear camera connection and the power connection and the slot for the mount, the screen and the front the camera. The manual, trim tool, 2 clips for the camera to remove it, camera for the side. This is one camera for one side and this another camera for the other side, left or right side. And this is the rear camera with the plug, special plug, and a long cable. And this is everything that comes inside of the box. Okay, this one, it has this tool in U shape, so you can adjust the view of the side cameras with this one. You can place it in here like this, like that, and you can move it like that a little bit, so you can adjust it. Okay, now let's see real quick how it works. Okay, this one is not a touch screen. Okay, so it has 4 buttons on the side and 3 on the left side, 4 on the right and 3 on the right side. And here you can see there one is up and down, the menu. Okay, and this is OK, M, lock, and the power button. All right, so the first one is to turn on the Wi-Fi. The second one is to see the videos. You can see them right here. You can go up and down with the arrows. The third one is to lock the videos, but I don't want to lock the video right now. And the last one here on the bottom is to turn off the screen, but the camera still is going to be recording. And this one is up and this one is down, up and down. And this one in the middle is the menu. All right, so let's check it out. Let's see the menu. Okay, the first one is loop recording. Okay, 1 minute. Always I would like to leave it in 1 minute, so it's easier to download. Then okay. Then down is the gravity sensing. It's for the G-force. Okay, this is for the gravity sensors. I will leave it. This one is for the gravity sensing. I always like to leave it in the low. It's good. And then the next one is to flip the left screen and flip the right screen, the next one. So you can flip the screen. You see that it's upside down. You can flip the view right here. Okay, and then for the rear camera, you can flip it on. You can flip the view in here too. Okay, and then the next one, date stamp on. You want to see it on the video or not when you download the video. The next one is recording audio. You can turn it on and off in here too. The exposure, I want to leave it on 0. Light frequency, 60 Hertz, and that's everything for the video settings. Let's go to the general settings. Oh, the screen saver is closed, so all the time the screen is on. The next one is to format the SD card. You can format it there. I don't want to do it right now. The language has English, French, Spanish, Espanol. Yeah, okay, so let's leave it in English. And then parking monitor is off, but for that one you need a hard wiring key to keep the camera on all the time. Okay, for now it's off. The volume, okay, this one. Oh, okay, let me put it again. The volume, let's put okay. I don't like that these ones are on this side and this one on the other side, so you have to press in this one, then the OK is in the other side. I don't like that one, but that's the way it is. Okay, so let's put OK, the volume. I'm gonna put it in low. Okay, whew, man, too loud. Yes, it's better. The key sound, you can turn it on and off in here, so it's on. I'm gonna leave it on for now. The date and time. Oh, wrong one, sorry. Okay, date and time, then the enter. We are, oh, it's wrong. Okay, so let's fix it. The month is 12 right now. Okay, and then for month, day, and year. All right, so that's the time. Let's leave it okay, and then we'll go back. And then Wi-Fi off, Wi-Fi band, 5G, restore to factory settings. You can restore it there. And about the camera firmware, you can see everything in there. That's okay. And that's it for the menu. So the next thing is to download the app, and let's see how it works. Okay, it's time to connect to the app and see how to download the video. So first we have to turn on the Wi-Fi. For that one, I think it's the first one. Yes, the first button, you can turn on the Wi-Fi. So it's on. Okay, and I already have the app open. You have to download this app, GFG Camp. Okay, so let's open it. Oof, okay, allow your location. No, don't. Okay, add device. Okay, so we have to turn on, connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, we're here at the Wi-Fi, so let's see if we can see it. It has to be the R3. right here, R3, boom. And then we have to put the password. The password is 128. Join, is connecting, boom, it's connected. And now let's see, add device, connecting. Yes, it's connected, cool. So right here, you can stop the recording. And then in this one, you can watch the videos, allow full access, okay? And here are all the videos, cool. You can click on any of the videos. Let's see if I can see something moving like this one. All right, cool. And then you can select here on the top, it says select, then click on the video and hit download. On the bottom, it's an arrow down. Click on that one, download selected video. Okay, but right now I don't want to download it, but that's how to download the video. Cancel, then go back. And then the one on the middle is to take a screenshot, boom. And this one, let's see what it is. Oh, for the screenshots, the pictures. Cool, that's everything for the bottom. And this one is to switch the view of the camera, the side, have the door open, cool. And then like that, cool. Okay, that's everything for the bottom. So in here, these are the settings. We already went through the settings. Okay, so this is the same. You can change the device name, the Wi-Fi, the loop recording, collision sensor is low, date stamp, you can turn it on and off, the record for the audio, turn it on and off, format the SD card, and default settings. Okay, so that's everything. Super simple. All right, so we can start the recording. And now let's see the video resolution for the camera, for all 4 cameras. Let's do that. Coming up right now. All right, and now this is the debut for the front camera. This is a 1080p resolution. So for the front camera, it looks pretty good. The debut, the brightness is pretty good. You can see the cars, what kind of car it is, license plate, so everything is visible. So for the front camera, it looks pretty good. So no complaints for the front camera. And now this is the night view for the front camera. So for the front camera at night, it has a night vision. As you can see, everything looks pretty clear at night. It looks like it's the day, and the cars are visible, and even at night, the glare of the cars, it doesn't affect that much, so it's pretty good. So for the front camera at night, it's pretty good. I like it. And now this is the debut for the left camera, 1080p resolution, that is on the driver's side. So it is great to have this option because you can see on the side, I mean, you can record. If something happens on the side, you can have it in video. So the resolution is pretty good. You can see what kind of car it is, license plates, everything. It's clear. So I like it. And this is the night view for the left camera on the driver's side. So it is amazing. The night vision for all the cameras is pretty good. You can see everything super nice and clear. So the cars, everything, even the road, everything is pretty clear at night. So it has night vision and it is great. And this is the debut for the right camera, 1080p resolution. This is the passenger side. So it's still good. The resolution is 1080p, and even that is a 1080p, it looks pretty clear. The license plates, the cars, everything is clear. So for the passenger side, it is great. And this is the night view for the passenger side, right side camera, 1080p resolution. So the night vision for all the cameras, it looks pretty good. Looks great. So you can see everything nice and clear at night. So I like it a lot. And this is the debut for the rear camera, 1080p resolution also. So still looks pretty good. This is the debut, looks pretty bright. You can see the cars. So for the essential, it is great. I like it. And the same thing for the night view, rear camera, 1080p resolution. It is amazing, super good, super clear. The night vision, it is great. So for the rear camera, it's still good too. So the cars, you can see everything pretty good, super clear. So I like it a lot. For the 4 cameras, the resolution at night, it is great. Alright, so after using the Sprleaf R3 4-channel dashcam, I can honestly say this thing does its job really well. I like the fact that it records all 4 angles at the same time, which gives way more peace of mind than the regular front-only dashcam. The 1080p video quality is clear enough for daily driving, installation is pretty straightforward, and once it's set up, you don't even notice it. It just records. If you want full coverage around your car in 1080p, this is a solid option. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more reviews and car tech, and drop a comment of what dashcam do you have in your car. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.